Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Yamaha YZFR1. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2011 Yamaha YZFR1 with 19,354 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with lowering links, an adjustable side stand, a taillight with integrated rear turn signals, LED front turn signals, aftermarket headlights, LED light strip trim, a zero-gravity windshield, a Tosei exhaust, mirrors, levers, driving lights, a tank pad, a USB port, and swing arm spools. Powered by a 998cc four-cylinder engine, the YZFR1 puts 182 horsepower and 84 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the YZFR1 has a 130 to 160 mile range. It has a 32.9-inch seat height and a 414-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this YZFR1 will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, a plate light, a neutral light, and steering issues addressed. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 230 seconds and the rear at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs properly, shifts properly, but the steering is loose and the clutch is noisy. Our technician noted that the left switch housing spins on the handlebars, the chain and sprocket are very worn, the engine case is loose and missing hardware, the front seat is missing a mount, something in the front end feels loose, and the steering bearings and fork bushings need to be addressed. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we only point out large areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing the bike in person. There are blemishes on the fuel tank. Plastics are pulling from the sides of the lower fairing. There are scratches from the crash cage, cracks in the fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.